Traders, a very, very warm welcome. So I'm here to give you a quick market update. It's about 11:20 a.m. on Tuesday, November 3rd. And I'm here to discuss a quick market update, so I won't take your a lot of time. Disclaimer is there with you. Any trades that you take is for your own analysis. Please consult your advisors and then only take the trades. So what we'll do right now is we'll just discuss what has happened in the market and what to do right now in the next 3 hours in the market. So first of all, guys, we gave you 15 trades yesterday, and 10 of them have gave you targets. We have got 100% accuracy. 5 trades were not triggered. They are still not triggered right now. All the other 10 trades, 100% accuracy, more than 1% profit in each trade. And if someone asks you what's the accuracy we're giving you, you can give this live proof. We have given you 100% accuracy. All right, first thing, Nifty. What did we tell you guys on Nifty yesterday? We told you guys on Nifty, go long above 720 and above 750, increase long aggressively. Today, you've got a high of 820 on Nifty. That's number one. You got a wonderful, wonderful profit. The other one was Bank Nifty. We told you all to go long aggressively above 25,250. And the high that is made today is 25,500. A 250 point profit on Bank Nifty also. That's 2 out of 2. We gave you guys to short TCS below 2600, but we have never gone below 2600, so the trade was never triggered. Reliance, the trade is still pending. Reliance, we gave you a short below 1860, and the low made today was 1840. That's a 20-point profit on Reliance, about 1%. You would have triggered. Tata Motors, you were interested, go only long above 140. So right now it's not triggered, so it is still pending. Adani Enterprise, a lovely, lovely trade. We gave you to go long above 344 yesterday. Targets today were, the height made today was 349.6. That is more than 1.5% clocked in on Adani. Titan, we gave you guys both the targets on the downside and on the long side. Down, we had to go below 1150. On the long, we gave you a target that to go long above 1180. The high made today was 1192. That's another 1% profit we have clocked in Titan company as well. If you have made this profit, guys, show us some love. Mention in the comment section below. Give us a thumbs up. And please do subscribe to our channel. This is the accuracy the team of TFA, the mentors of TFA are talking about every single day, not charging you any single fee and helping you and providing value to you, making sense to your trading journey. Another wonderful trade we gave you, Jubilant Food, to go short below 2140. It was given yesterday for targets on the lower side. Currently, it's at 2112. It's more than 30 points movement on Jubilant Food that you've clocked in. Wipro, we gave a short below 330. So that is not triggered. This trade is still pending. Tata Consumer, we told you all on the short and on the long side, both targets are given. On the long side, we told you guys to go long above 497 for target of 502. High made is 505. Another lovely, lovely trade. Dr. Reddy was clearly stated we're not interested. It is a no trade zone. Another lovely trade, 3D TVS Motor. We gave you guys long above which level? 463. And right now, the high made today was 471. Another 1.5% profit clocked in the first 15-30 minutes of trade. HDFC Life again was told to go long. As long as 580 was maintained, we told you to keep on buying on every dip. Currently, you can see from 580 you are at 596. More than 2 to 3% profit clocked in HDFC Life also. Hero MotoCorp, we told you guys to short. It's gone long. So we told you if it goes up, you have to ignore. So the trade is not triggered. The most important part is there is no stop loss being hit in the market. It's all profit that you're getting. So message us and tell you what you've done in the market. HCL Tech was asked to go short below 820. The trade is not triggered. So no stop loss, no trade. Asian Paints was set to ignore and it's still not doing anything. So we're safe. Rallis India was also set to ignore. Wait for more price action to tell you what to do. Cummins India was told to go short below 430. Trade is not triggered. It is pending. The wonderful, wonderful thing, Just Dial. What did we tell you yesterday on Just Dial? We told you clearly yesterday on Just Dial, the fall that you're getting in Just Dial will not be sustainable. You are getting what? A volume divergence. All these points are made clear. And today you can see Just Dial has gone up about 3% intraday, proving the research, proving the knowledge we put in the markets to help you guys. Cipla was another trade. We didn't trigger again. That is something not triggered. And finally, we had JSW Steel and Balkrishna. They are also not triggered. So these trades are still pending in the second half of the market. If they do happen, we're good. Otherwise, we've already clocked in about 10 out of 15 trades. And that is a very, very good number. If you took any of these 10 trades, you would have made money in the market. As simple as that. All the other trades are not triggered, meaning they are not at stop loss and they have not been triggered for us to enter the trades. Now, what can we do in the market? We are currently at 11,809. We have got some kind of a fresh move in the market. So I have a simple suggestion. We've already clocked in some profit, but now we have got this 20 moving average on Nifty at 11,823. So my suggestion is, if you come to 11,823, try to book your positions. We've already mentioned that in the community section of YouTube. The reason I'm telling this is it is very, very possible that you take a resistance and again fall down. That is possible. Markets have done that in the past. It does pause for some time at the 20 moving average. So if you're holding, let's say, 3 positions in Nifty, at least try to book 1 or 2 of them at this point. If you want to go fresh long, then I would say if you sustain above this 11,820 level for 15 minutes, then you can go long. Otherwise, I want you to exit your longs here. That is one suggestion I would like to give you. The reason is we are in elections mode and we guard our profit. We want to be safe. We don't know what can happen in the second half of the market. Any news flow can come in, which can really destroy us. That's about Nifty. The same view will be Bank Nifty. I'll just look at the charts of Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty is looking strong. Nothing to worry about. You can trail your stop loss in Bank Nifty. But the main thing is, if Nifty is going down, the Bank Nifty will also try to come down. Banks are strong. They are above 2%. You have broken the Bollinger Band. That's a very, very good sign. So yesterday, if you remember, we said that if you close above 820 again, the breakout is confirmed. So I think it is confirmed now, unless until some price action happens in the second half of the market. So Bank Nifty looks okay, but Nifty, I want you to guard your profits around 820 level. And Reliance is another stock. It is in focus right now. It started going up. This looks like it is giving some momentum to Nifty. And so we'll keep a track on all of these stocks. Any other message, we'll give a quick update in the coming time. So I hope you're having a wonderful day. Happy trading and just guard your portfolios, guys.